drone racing is quickly becoming one of the hottest hobbies around. A racing drone is a small quadcopter, unmanned aerial vehicle that is purpose-built to compete in FPV racing events held in most major cities around the world. Racing drones can be more complicated than regular drones, and in the past you had to build one yourself to get a decent racer. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Eris Xspeed 250B comes with the 4mm carbon fiber arms and flexible structure, and it is super durable and consistent with crashing. It offers big inner space, 268mm wheelbase, 6 inches propeller, and other equipment that are compatible. Also, the angle of the FPV camera is adjustable from 0 to 45 degrees and uses a high safety 4S 1500 mAh 50C LiPo battery. Besides, the vibration damping plate is used to provide better quality videos and control the damage on the frame during a crash. Moreover, the ultra-high copper simple PDB board design ensures wires are arranged tidily, and its arm structure is made of a single layer plate. On the other hand, the propellers are installed between plates of the arm to guard against deformation after a crash. The eChine Wizard X220 comes with blades that reduce vibration and give you incredible stability and flight performance. It offers a light, streamlined design and incredible power for fantastic acceleration and lifts. Also, it has an LED indicator in the front and in the back that can let you fly at night. Besides, it offers extra rubber protection to protect the video reception transmission antenna and power cable. Moreover, the components are compatible with 4S LiPo, so it's easy to upgrade to the 4S battery when you want more power. On the other hand, it is designed for freestyle flying with the tri-blade props to give an excellent response. The Walkera Rodeo 110 is equipped with 600 TVL HD wide-angle camera and has high-power real-time image transmission that supports image transmission power 200 MW/600 MW 1 key to switch. It comes with a high-efficiency power system and high-performance 850 mAh lithium PO battery, and the flying time can be 6 minutes. Besides, the PPM/SBUS radio interface on flight control can extend to install other brand radio like Futaba. Moreover, it is space-saving and lightweight. It has high thrust-to-weight ratio, which makes it accelerate swiftly and allows you to indulge in the fun of flying indoors. On the other hand, it uses 33 by 68mm PCB circuit board, integrates PDB, flight controller, video transmitter, receiver, and other modules. Holding the first place among the list of best racing drones, we have the Blade Inductrix. It is equipped with 25 mW video transmitter capable of transmitting on Fat Shark channels 1 through 8 and all raceband channels, so you can save several pilots at once. Also, the monitor is rechargeable via micro USB and it has a 1.5-hour runtime before it needs to recharge. Besides, it is capable of receiving on 40 channels, and it can be clipped onto the MLP4 radio for hands-free operation. You can select channels from the easy-to-use button atop the body of the Inductrix. On the other hand, it requires much more power to fly around with the added weight of the camera, so it offers high-performance 14,300 kV motors. Another advantage is that the included FPV monitor is a 4.3-inch Spectrum SPMV M430, and it is the perfect solution for FPV without having to pony up the cost of a full goggle system. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.